to be back.
Hi, hello guys, welcome back to TST Cyber Gamer YouTube channel. Welcome back to another termux video. Guys, today my topic is how to identify the phone numbers with use of termux in Phoneinfoga. Guys, when I go video, who's not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to notification in more than my videos, hit the bell icon guys, and enjoy this video.
Yeah, we said we let it go, but we settled for the last. Couldn't let you want it though. Who am I to let you down? No, who am I to let you down? If you let me walk away, maybe then we'd lose it all. No. Who am I to let you Yeah, we said we